For the sake of better selfies, these people risked their lives. In eastern India, a well-known forest ranger encountered a 5-meter-long python during his patrol. The man caught it to take a commemorative photo, but the snake violently resisted and wrapped around his neck. With the help of his companions, the man barely escaped. Otherwise, that photo would have been his last. In Canada, two high school students climbed over a fence to take a selfie with a polar bear. During the photo session, one boy kept putting his hand through the fence to tease the bear. The polar bear seized the opportunity and bit the boy's arm off. In 2015, a couple in Poland tried to look cool by taking a selfie while smoking on the train tracks. Distracted by a passing train, they didn't notice another train speeding towards them from behind. At the last moment, the man pressed the shutter button, and the driver honked the horn in warning. The girl managed to escape, but the man was hit and killed instantly. In southern Italy, there is a famous seaside building. During a school trip, a 16-year-old girl wanted to take a selfie with the building. She sat on the railing and pressed the shutter button, but lost her balance and fell 18 meters onto the concrete. She suffered multiple fractures and died despite rescue efforts. In 2019, a couple in Rio de Janeiro hiked for 2.5 hours to reach the highest peak in the area, facing the breathtaking scenery. The woman wanted to take a unique photo, resulting in a thrilling video. As she got up to return, she lost her balance and fell off the cliff. Even now, many people still risk their lives to take photos at this spot, just like she did.